Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus and in this video I will show you how you can simply add paragraph on Reddit. So let's start. This is something that when I found out it was glorious. So you want to go right click on up top and like when you're going to edit a post or add a post. So what you want to do is this. When you're going to just like right here, you're not going to create a paragraph. What you need to do is this, guys. Create two spaces right after the last text, then go with a enter to create again space, so like one space is enough, and then on the beginning of the text you want to add again two spaces, so two spaces here in the end of the text, then you just want to add a one big space. Oh fuck, no, you want to add one big space and then just add two small spaces again with a space bar right in the beginning of the new text. So let's repeat that. Look what I will do. Space, space, enter, enter, space, space, and new text. And this is how you can simply create paragraphs in Reddit. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments and have a great day and goodbye.